This is my bike check. I got white DK cranks. They were black when I got it, but I painted them. I got Hamilton pedals. Pretty much DK, everything else pretty new. I painted my seat post, drilled it out. I flipped my stem upside down. It was the other way around. And flipped it. And I got Maxxis Miracle tires, Big City Sunlight rims. And on the other side, I got DK Iron Cross sprocket. I have a DK driver and FSA headset, integrated duo Homan grips, and kink lightest bar ends, and that's my bike.